cocktail here called Santa's Cough Medicine, which is heavily infused with rosemary infused vodka. When did that start to happen?
It's just, I think, you know, to get the feel of Christmas, I wanted something that was kind of that Fraser fir or just the smell of a Christmas tree.
Sure.
And you know, I could have done it with gin, because gin is so heavily influenced, but I kind of like the neutrality of the vodka. So it's not so much juniper forward. You really taste the rosemary. So we have actually the rosemary is local rosemary, local farmer from Greenleaf Farms,
Yep.
Antonio Hall, sorry.
Correct.
Awesome guy, does amazing herbs, just has everything. It's
So all of our rosemary today is local.
all rosemary.
Cool.
Yep. The cranberry is just a cranberry simple syrup, so we just boiled down some cranberry juice and added sugar to it.
Yep.
Just to create that kind of more viscous syrup, and it has a little bit more sugar to it. And then with the, obviously the rosemary, we infuse that into the Sipsmith vodka. I like to see what's fresh for the season. Whether it's a fruit, a local fruit, is always best, especially if it's a citrus. A great balanced cocktail always has a little bit of citrus in it, maybe a little bit of sugar, and then your spirit. So when sour limes are in, it's always, I'm sorry, not sour limes, sour oranges are in season. I love that for cocktails.
Happy holidays.
Cheers, you too.
Ching.